Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want Claude AI on your device but not sure where to download it from? Here's the correct way to get it safely. In this video, I'll show you how to download Claude AI on your phone or computer in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to the official Claude AI website. From there, you can access Claude directly in your browser without downloading anything. If a desktop app is available in your region, you'll see a download option. So just click download for Windows or Mac, then install it like any normal app. On mobile, Claude usually works through your browser, so simply open the website login and you can add to home screen for quick access like an app. And after opening Claude, just sign in or create an account. Once you are inside, you can start using it for writing, learning, coding, and productivity tasks. And that's how you can download and access Claude AI on any device, quick, simple, and ready to use anytime. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.